Hello Cancerians, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and this is the reading for you from July 10th to July 20th. And as you know, they are all general readings. They may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you are dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading does not resonate with you, please check your moon sign and the name sign. For the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below, and you can also follow me on Instagram for additional readings. Let's see what we have for Cancerians. See what are the messages from this deck for Cancerians. Message guidance from the angels. Message from the universe for Taurans. Oh, sorry, Cancerians. Cancerians, it's coming as if it's coming up as if you were spending time with your family and now you are ready to take a journey or move to some other place. It's coming off like that. See, either it is that you were spending a happy time with your family, and now you're leaving the house and moving away, uh, and you have those fond memories since you're leaving that place. Or maybe you have spent some time with your loved ones. If not a family, then maybe your loved ones, maybe your friend or somebody. You have spent some time, now you are leaving that place. That's what I'm trying to say basically. So it can be a family, it can be your loved ones, it can be your relationship where you spent some time and you met that person after a long time, perhaps because it was reconciliation, in the sense that it was not that you were not meeting for the first time. Okay, it was not that you were meeting this person or this place for the first time. It's like you keep coming to this place, now you spend some quality time there or with this person, and now you are leaving that place. It's coming off like that. Okay, so since you are ready to leave this, and it is not in a bad way, it is just, it's circumstantial. It's not that you're leaving the relationship or the situation, no. It is that you have those fond memories, and with those nostalgic memories, now you have to move because of some reason. That's why you are doing it. Okay, and you have a lot of emotions inside you, but you are very emotionally mature and wise, emotionally stable, emotionally mature, and emotionally wise, ready for something new which is coming in your life. So you are ready for a new beginning over here, because you are leaving this thing, whatever this thing is. You have fond memories, nostalgia is full of happy memories, but you have to make a move. That's why you are going. And since you have those emotions running deep in you, but you don't show them to anyone, and you are emotionally mature and balanced, because you, since you have moved out that of the situation, maybe to some other place. So this is the your thing which you keep, uh, authoritative mode which you keep, though you have a lot of emotions inside you. And now you are going, the basic thing is that you are moving towards, in an emotionally controlled and a mature and a wise way, towards a new beginning, which you are very very passionate about. Maybe you want to, uh, maybe this is what you are going to achieve for this person, or these people, or this house, this family. It can be that. Okay, because that is why you are making a move, perhaps that's why you're going for them. That's what I'm getting. And you, this is a very very passionate, stable, long term new beginning. And maybe it is because of this that you are leaving. And here you are, you feel burdened. Burdened in the sense that you have worked hard, not that burdened in a bad way, but what I feel is, wow, a beautiful energy which I get is that you have, wow, what I'm feeling here is that you have all those emotions because you are working for this relationship, whatever this is, in a beautiful way, not showing your feelings all over. And you have a lot of feelings for this situation. You're working hard for this situation, and you're bringing this back. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting. You are this stable beginning, or this stable foundation, whatever this is. You are working hard and bringing it back to your house. That's what I'm getting. You are going and getting it back to your house. So you are going out. Obviously, you are moving out for a reason. That's what I get. It is because of the circumstances that you are moving out. You're going, leaving this, because you need to do that, though you don't want to. And it is this new beginning, as if you have to fetch something for them, for this person. And you are working hard for that, and you are now coming in with the results. You are bringing the rewards home. That's what I'm getting. Okay, yeah, this is, I worked hard and this is what I brought for you. It's something like that. And it is a new beginning over here. And with the magician, you are manifesting something. You are really manifesting something very very good. And with the Six of Wands, you are victorious. You are definitely manifesting something new in your life, Cancerians, and it is something significant, something major. Okay, you are very happy over here. You are victorious. And you are trying to balance the things with the Six of Pentacles. You are giving and taking. You have whatever you have achieved. Now you are in the position of sharing it with others. So you went out to work hard for them, just to come back. Okay, now I brought it, whatever I was supposed to bring for my family, or for this relationship, and now you are in a position of giving that. You're trying to balance it. You have achieved things that now you're in a position of giving and sharing also. With the Four of Diamonds, this is maybe this is it's like some sort of hesitation is still there. There's some sort of a hesitation, though people are admiring you, but you want to see things from the far. Some sort of hesitation, or maybe at some point in time you were too preoccupied with all those material things which you were working on, whatever your things were, your goals were. Healer of action, this is the guidance from the angel. This is a time when you can do whatever you set your mind to. If your heart is open, you are being asked to do many things at once. You won't mind as long as you know you are making a difference. This card indicates someone who is loving, intelligent, passionate and fun, which could definitely describe you. This person can handle difficult situations with grace. So this is something which is, obviously it's talking about beautiful new beginnings and new things. Whatever you want, you can achieve. Number 35 or number It may be of some significance for you. Speak the language of love. Loving words have the power to change lives, including your own. So, okay, that is just talking about compassion and love. Whatever you talk, talk with love. And what I am getting guided towards here is the moon. What I feel here is that be intuitively guided. Use your intuition to achieve this new beginning. Use this intuition of yours to achieve this new beginning. Okay, let your intuition guide you. Whatever this is, do what you feel is right for you. Don't let anybody else tell you the way. It's a beautiful, beautiful beginning. Cancerians, a beautiful reading. Hope it helps, and that's all I have for you. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Thank you.